Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to the supermarket. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. The supermarket here is nice and the food is a bit different. Forgive me for my food choices since it's my first time abroad and I'm living alone. Usually I walk to the supermarket because it's just near, and the means of transport is motorbike. So to save money, I just walk, and it's just a few meters away. This is my street where I usually walk. You can see the lights of Vietnam in Thao Dien. I began to love this place and the motorbikes. I'm headed there. It's called Top Market. That's where I go to get my groceries. So they ran out of wheat bread. I'm just gonna get this one. It's 15,000, I think, or 21. No, it's 21k, 21,000 for this. Okay, they also have dole, bananas. Gonna get some. I'm gonna try this one. It's a Korean barbecue sauce. I'm fed up with mayonnaise, so I'll try. They have different kinds of sauces here. So everything's in Vietnamese, but I think I like this one. This cheese is so cool. Cheese flavor, and then they have another cheese flavor. It's a dip. I'll try this out. Maybe I'll make chicken tonight. One thing I like here in Vietnam is the coffee. So you can see there's lots of different kinds of coffee. This excites me the most, especially when I am grocery shopping, which is coffee. I love coffee. So doesn't matter if it's instant coffee. Don't hate me. I love coffee. Okay, as you can see that Vietnamese, they don't have a lot of chips because they are living healthy. Pure peanuts and everything. Not so much of the chips. So it's either imported or they have their own local brand. They really support local. So I'm very lucky that my brother was able to teach me some tips, and my mom, when it comes to grocery and doing a lot of things. So that's the thing with the Asian culture. They try to teach you how to be independent. And now I'm living by myself and being independent. I try to budget everything, especially the grocery, which is very important. So when I get hungry, I already have food to cook and to eat, rather than spending a lot of money, eating outside. I'm just gonna prepare my meal for today. The food I bought, I'll try to cook it quickly because I am so hungry. It's already like past 8 p.m. So I took my time really budgeting the food at the supermarket, and I couldn't think properly because of the hunger and everything. I just want to buy food as fast as I can, but I took my time like budgeting on what to buy for the whole week. Ta-da! This is the food that I will be having for dinner. Kimchi, I already cooked the brown rice, and chicken, spring roll. I also bought the Korean barbecue sauce earlier. I want to try it out. So this is what I'm gonna have now. Okay, there you have it, guys. That is my grocery shopping day. And please forgive me because it's my first time living alone and also being independent. Cooking skills, which I don't have cooking skills yet. I prepare everything like basic, just air fryer, cook rice, fry food. But later on, I will promise myself this year to learn how to cook. I know YouTube is always there and I have the time to learn how to cook, but sometimes I'm so hungry. Maybe I'll start with the basic stuff like cooking adobo and everything else. Yep, that's about it. I hope you guys had fun. If you have any comments and suggestions, you can tell me how to cook. That's my next goal for this year. Before anything else, I am shooting with my iPhone 15 Pro. I usually shoot with my Sony a7C, Viltrox 20mm. This is the wide angle lens of my iPhone, and it looks good. with the normal cam, but the wide angle cam, it looks a bit grainy. But I'm amazed with the iPhone resolution and how it looks like. Even if it's a iPhone, it does the job, and my voice and everything. This has no mic, but I still love using my Sony. It's just that today I didn't bring the Sony just because I'm going to the grocery. I don't want to bring a camera and suddenly shoot and people are staring at me because I have a camera, or the security won't allow me. So just to be safe, I brought my iPhone, and this video was recorded with my iPhone all throughout.